Hi, good morning students. It's me, Harsnath Shukla, and in class 10th, today I'm going to discuss the next topic for polynomial. As you know, in last lecture of polynomial, we had already discussed the number of zeros, that means geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial. I hope you completed your exercise number 2.1. So next topic, relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. We are going to discuss the relation between zeros and coefficients of polynomial. So first of all, we discuss about the quadratic polynomial. Let we have given a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, having zeros are alpha and beta. Then the question is, what is coefficient of polynomial? So about the coefficient, if you see, this e is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is constant term. So if alpha and beta are the zeros, then sum of the zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta minus b by a, and product of zeros are alpha beta, this is c by a. So this is the relation between coefficient and zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. This is the relation between the coefficient and zeros of polynomial. So please note it down. Then after we shall discuss about the cubic equation. Okay, note down. Okay, see, for the cubic equation, we have given a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square, plus cx plus d. So as you know, a, b and c are the coefficients of x cube, x square and x respectively, and d is the constant. So sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma, that means there are three zeros of this polynomial, because quadratic equation has two zeros, cubic equation has three zeros. If you have biquadratic equation, then there are four zeros, etc. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, that is sum of the product of taken two at a time of zeros of the polynomial is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. This is nothing but c by a. Okay, this is nothing but c by a. And similarly alpha, beta and gamma, that is product of this polynomial is nothing but minus d by a. So this is relation between the polynomial zeros of the polynomial with the coefficient for cubic polynomial. Okay. Now next question is, next topic, you can say, if we have given sum and product of quadratic polynomial, sum and product of zeros of quadratic polynomial, then what is the polynomial? So this is nothing but x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros of polynomial plus alpha beta. This is the polynomial if you have given sum and product of the zeros of polynomial. Similarly, for cubic polynomial, so this is nothing but x square minus x cube minus, okay, note down, first you note it down. Okay, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square, okay, plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta and gamma. This is the what equation or polynomial when sum and sum taken two at a time and product of cubic polynomial, zeros of cubic polynomial are given. So this is the whole about the relation between the coefficient and zeros of the polynomial. Now we will do some questions. Okay, see, write down the question. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between coefficients and zeros of polynomial, given polynomial. Okay, so see, what are the polynomial? What is the polynomial? Solution. Polynomial is x square plus 7x plus 10. So first of all, factorize it. X square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. As you know in class 9, how to factorize trinomial factor. So this is nothing but x plus 5 plus 2, x plus 5, x plus 5 taken out of the bracket. This is x plus 2. So what are the zeros? Alpha is nothing but minus 5 and beta is nothing but minus of 2. So what is the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta. This is minus 5 minus 2. This is minus 7. And alpha beta is what? Alpha beta is nothing but minus 5 into minus 2 and this is 10. Okay. This is simply find the sum and product. But we will see by the formula, that is relationship. So if you see, then alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. What is b? b is here minus 7. 7. So minus 7. A is 1. Minus 7 and alpha beta is what? C by a, that is 10 by 1. This is 10. So what you observe here, you observe that if we find zeros, first of all we find the zeros and see what is the sum and what is the product. So sum is minus 7 and product is 10. In the same manner, we find it by the formula, that is the relationship. If alpha plus beta, if you see, then this is minus 7 by 1 and this is minus 7 by, because minus b by a, and alpha beta is what? 10 by 1, that is 10. So you can say hence verified, hence verified. Okay, so note it down. Okay, you may completed this one. Now see next question, the second type of question. Find the polynomial, find the quadratic polynomial, find a quadratic polynomial. Next question is find a quadratic polynomial, whose sum and product of zeros, sum and product of zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Okay, so solution. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of required polynomial. Okay, then what is given? It is given that alpha plus beta, this is minus 3, and alpha beta, this is 2. Okay, so what is polynomial? So required polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So x square minus of 3x plus 2, and this is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 2. This is your required polynomial. So note it down. Okay, I hope you completed this one. For writing, you just push the video and then write it. Okay, that's why I am just coming after solving the question. So whenever you want to note it down, you just push the video and note it down. Okay, see. So some more questions are there which we had to discuss later, but in exercise 2.2, if you see, there are two types of questions. First one is find the zeros of following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. Okay, so we had to try to solve it. One question, fifth number is there, which we had to solve here, and rest of them you can solve. T square minus 15. Suppose we have given a quadratic equation supposed to be t square minus, question number first, fifth part, t square minus 15 is equal to t square minus 15. So first of all, find zeros. So t plus t square minus root of 15 whole square. So this is t plus root 15 and t minus root 15. So alpha is what? Minus root 15 and beta is what? Plus root 15. So verification, how to verify? simply alpha plus beta. This is nothing but minus b by a. So here b is what? Term of t. This is 0. That's why 0 by 1, and this alpha plus beta simply minus root 15 plus root 15. That's why it's 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, for product alpha into beta, this is c by a, and this is nothing but c. C is what? Minus 15 upon 1. This is minus 15. And if you see alpha into beta, so alpha into beta is nothing but minus root 15 into plus root 15, and this is minus 15. So if you see alpha beta, this is minus 15, and alpha plus beta, this is 0. Hence it is verified. Okay. Now in second question, that is in second question, find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as a sum and product of its zeros respectively. So same as the example, alpha plus beta is given, alpha beta is given. So you can find the polynomial by using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay. So I hope you understand this lecture. So in next lecture we have to solve some more questions regarding this, and then we will study about the division algorithm of polynomial. Okay, thank you.